Ba't na kami ni video ha? Uy! Grabe, harassment to ah!
In this night, a starry sky, my baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt. I reassured that every day.
Tandag City Plaza. Tandag Plaza, Tandag City Plaza.
Okay, so hello everyone. We are currently here live at Tandag City Plaza. So Tandag City Plaza was constructed under the Pimentel administration, and in this Tandag City Plaza, you can rest, you can practice your school projects, you can dance, you can sing in here, and moreover we also have foods that are displayed outside of this plaza, and this is one of the tourist spots here in Tandag City. Good, receive naman po.
Yes, we're nag-exercise, guys. Ano po rin, watching ko to. Guys, here, may fountain. And wonder din siya pag-December.
Yes, and this is our fountain. Ipalagyan na siya na ako, mom and dad, for my 18th birthday.
How old are you? How old are you?
13. Ano po mag-ihimo ko man sa plaza today?
Guys, don't go.
Paano yun? Ito yung joke sa inyo.
Sorry. Gako na ko din sa paan. Like, minkadi ako nga din sa plaza ka na himuon bita na
Project? Yes po. What subject?
like,
Ay!
philosophy.
Sino picture niyo? Charot, ano? Ano yung mo opinion sa plaza?
Like, what? Ano na opinion?
Okay na ba siya? May mga improve pa ba? May mga bad things ka ba na na-notice?
Para sa ako, like, may parts na need i-improve. Like, for example, like yan sa CR. Tapos nga di sabi yan sa, like yan sa mga tao, kita na buba-buba. Like, dapat mas talon.
Yes.
Tapos ang mga lights sa paggabi para mas dayaw siya sa mata ng mga tao dito. Labi na yan sa mga may mudayong nga di sa ibang lugar.
Yes po, ate. Thank you po, ate, sa inyong pag-interview, ate.
Meanwhile. Eventually.
Okay guys, so today we're on the way sa Grotto and there's Nika, Arnold, and Hurrian. So yeah. Hi guys! We're here at Grotto, located sa
Bongtod, Tandag City.
USB!
Yes, USB.
United
States of Bongtod.
Yes, period. Okay, so
Pinatras mo lugar.
next clip.
So, welcome to the grotto here in Bongtod, Tandag City. And in this place, this stands as a sacred shrine of Our Lady of Lourdes or Mama Mary. And in this place, you can light a candle and say your prayers. And you can also just rest, feel the air, and overlook at the amazing view here in Bongtod, Tandag City. explicit scenes done in a sacred place.
Welcome to Bungtod. Ang ganda-ganda ng view.
I like the view.
Now,
So
Guys.
now, we are going to our classmate's house in Bongtod,
Rochelle.
which is Rochelle's house.
Rochelle have Rufino.
Yes,
See you, Rochelle.
Later.
We have arrived at our destination, UK. United Sabihan ni Kuya Rico. Let's go, guys.
Let's go, guys.
Go, guys.
Hi guys. Okay, din na mo food and we're gonna eat now. Did the prayer yan. Go.
Okay, let us pray. Lord, thank you for this food. Bless this.
Gusto mo subuhan kita, Arnold, baby?
Balut pag shout out Vivi. Vivi. Shout out Vivi. No name dropping. Initials da. Vivi.
Guys, gusto niyo pa shout out?
Vivi.
LV.
Vivi LV.
Sa ibig.
Masa. Ano sa'yo?
Ay gusto niyan chika.
Gusto niyo bang marinig ang mga kwento? Gusto niyo ba?
Kamaya itong chika ko.
Ang team namin ay lilipad sa... Saan tayo lilipad, team?
Boulevard. Ano yung gibilin kaya niya ng willow? Malapit ako madapat!
Saan napunta ang yung...
Oo, dapat urot yun!
The shorma is what is like...
What?
You rate the shorma?
Dry, dry?
4 out of 10.
Why?
So dry.
Yeah, and
It's just like our conversation.
Oh.
the
Me, JD. JD.
JD.
ay
Jack Daniels.
Okay na, ikaw.
ang bread roll kita na duhaya.
Bread roll. The bread roll is
Hello, Token.
Puro harina.
legit. It's the living evidence of unang kagat hari na lahat. And that is all for our vlog. Thank you.
I know you wanted me to, but things are taking forever. You